Hey guys, it's Jeffrey. I don't know if you can hear me. Let's turn this up. Hey guys, it's Jeffrey with Fair Value Trade, and we are looking at a couple of markets: the ES, looking at the Russell, the Nasdaq, the Dow. This is a sim trade for today. Made a quick $80 on the Russell right here. I took the breakout when it went up. Got a quick $80. Probably should have stayed in. But not a bad trade. Russ did the same thing yesterday too. Just kept going up, 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 up. But everything else is kind of, it went down, right? Went down to the current low. The Dow's the only one that kind of stayed up, but you gotta be careful with the Dow. These sandwich candlesticks, got a green, a red, a green, green, red, green. So I want to wait until it shows some consistency, or makes a new high, comes down maybe to the 50. I mean the 100 moving average. So we'll see what everything looks like. Right now, the Russell's is the one that looks good for the buy. But let's see what we got, guys. Let's trade. Sim trading, live trading, doesn't matter which one you're doing. But let's trade with some type of passion, consistency, and trade your setup. Right now, I'm not trading anything down here, so we'll just wait and see. I don't know, maybe like in this ES under the 100, and I want to give it a shot. I'm probably a little too late on this entry, but if we can get 1 point, which is $50, I may just take that. And let's see where we're at. It's 100. Let's see if we can grab 50. It's on the lows here, so won't be a bad grab. Don't want to get stopped out too much. You can get a 1-to-1 here. A little late on the entry though, guys. Yeah, I should have gotten as soon as this green candle broke. Let's see what it wants to do. I got a tight stop though, so I don't want to get too reckless with this. So let's see. All right, so that one didn't work out too well, which I'm glad. I got in a little late anyway, so we'll see what else we got going on here. All right, the Dow still dropping. Nasdaq. We'll see what this ends up in a few. And the Russell could be coming back. Nasdaq is looking pretty good. Like it wants to come back up. Big sharp drop. So people who had their stops here definitely got wiped out. Definitely got wiped out. So yeah, because it came down here. Nice buy down here though. But look what it did. Smash these people, whoever got in here, didn't take profits, wanted to wait. It gave somebody another chance, took profits, didn't wait, wiped them out. So let's see where this wants to go. This is actually a nice short. Well, if you were scalping, it's 5-point volatility. All right, so let's see. I would love for Nasdaq to run back up. I like longs, so if it does go back up, retest some of these averages, and then we can go in for a long trade. I like the Russell. It's a beautiful incline for sure. Nasdaq broke the previous close, so fill this little gap area here. So if you're taking a breakout trade here, be careful. All right, ES is above the pre-close. The Dow was above the pre-close. Okay, so everything's looking pretty promising, I think. I want everything to be above the 20. All right, so gotta wait for this. All right, so we got the Nasdaq above the 20, which is a red line, but it is some resistance up here, right? And a little bit of resistance. So if you are breaking, this may be your first TP, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for some more green bars come down to averages, and then maybe we'll take a trade off of a signal bar. All right, the Russell is doing its thing as always. The ES, I would love for it to get past these levels here, and the Dow, it's actually not in a bad position. So we'll see if this wants to go above the 20 as well. All right, everything is kind of pushing up, which is amazing. Got to be careful though, right? See this ES, I mean the Dow jumped above the 20, but look at it, may fall back down. Got to be careful. So wait for a pullback on the Nasdaq. This kind of been a good one, but I'll wait for another pullback. I like this breakout though. Look at this beauty. The ES is really going crazy. So if you like breakouts, go for it. Have your stop. But be careful. And I did a breakout on a Russell, so I may give the Dow a shot. But I'm at the high, so I'll be risking a lot. So I'll wait. Yeah, we'll just wait. We'll see what happens in the next few minutes. Listen, ES was a good breakout trade, guys. Look at this. Let me jumped up. Right? So if you took it, great. I'm not mad at you if you took it. Even in Sim Live, I'm not mad at you. Just a good pick. All right, but I'm liking the Russell. I'm liking the Nasdaq. I actually like the Dow too. Let me give the Dow a shot. Okay, so we'll see who else wants to play. And it could reverse, guys. Be careful, right? Came up here, dropped, tried again, extreme drop, came up, could drop again, right? So let's be careful. All right, so the Nasdaq still within this range here of the current high, but I'm liking it. It's kind of away from the average, but I'm kind of liking it. Yeah, I'm kind of liking it. I like it enough to go long above this red candle here. And I want to see where it wants to go. Let's see what you want to do, Nasdaq. I waited for the pullback, right? So at least I did that. Now I'm going to see if it's going to break through this. Oh, what a beauty. Let's see. See if it wants to keep going. I want the rally. I am green, guys. I don't want to go red. So let's see if it can still rally up. But man, I'm ready to put myself at break even at bare minimum. Come on, Nasdaq, let's go. I see you want to push through. Let's push through. Let's push through. There we go. There we go. All right, so we got the Nasdaq breaking through this strong resistance area, and resistance turns support, and there we go. So what I'm going to do, and it still can come back into this little, this area. So we're going to take 150 for the day for that, for the Nasdaq. We got the Dow still penetrating down. We have Mr. Russell. Look what Russell did. Just drop all the way back down. And we thought this was going to keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm sure everybody else did. Told you be careful. And look what it did. All right, so we on an ES. I like the way the ES looks. Yeah, I like the ES. Let's see what it wants to do. It's like he's struggling a little bit. All right, maybe I need to win another pullback. We'll wait for the next one. Get ES a little break. If it goes up, great, but I'm not really confident in this level here right now. It came up, came right back down. So it could come back down. It could reverse. The MACD line could start pointing down. All right, we'll wait. Let's see what else opportunities out there. All right, so we have the Russell. Look like he's coming back down. Dow coming back down. Nasdaq is the only one that's showing some strength. I would buy here, but it's at the top, so it's a no-no. We're at 180 right now, though, so if we wanted to stop, still not a bad day to trade for 30 minutes. All right, Nasdaq looked like he wanted to break through that, so not a bad play if anybody saw this, but be careful. Just have your stop, so if it does come against you, you know what to do. Not a bad play at all. Let's see. Long is still in question, so I'd rather come back down to the moving averages and they give me another opportunity to get in on the long. Dow's dropping. Russell between the sweet spot, so he could be consolidating himself. I like the hammer. All right, I'm gonna give a Russell a shot. I like this pullback. Came back to the 100 moving average and the previous high, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Got a red candle here, and let's see if we can torpedo up maybe to these areas here. If not, we get out. We're not gonna let it take us for a ride for sure. Most people have their stop under this red candle, but I'm not. This is too far down. I'll be losing way too much. Even if it's a sim account, treat like a live account. I don't want to just blow it. I may not stay in this trade either. So let's see where this lands. Yeah, I get out. I'm not gonna risk it. I can always get back in a trade, but I'm not gonna risk too much of my capital right now. So 125. I could shut it down here. Done over 3 trades so far. Don't want to get caught up in the noise. All right, let's see what Dow. I like this on the Dow. Yeah, I like this on the Dow. It's on the support level right here, which is not bad. This is the previous close. Look, it came down previous close, spiked up. We may can get another one. So I'm gonna wait and see if it's gonna break down past these lows, and then we're definitely looking at a reversal. I mean, we're looking at a downtrend. I still like the Russell, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I still like the Russell. I still have faith in the Russell. The Russell's my first trade of the day. So as this bar gets bigger, it's forming a a nice size green bar. I want to give it its kudos, but I'm not gonna. I don't want to get wiped out completely, so I have my stop. Let's see what else is going on with these other markets. I like the way the Dow is kind of setting up. So let's see what you got, Russell. Ooh, well, isn't that a beautiful thing? So I'm gonna go ahead and put. Let's snatch some of this, guys. Let's snatch some of this stuff. Let's snatch. There we go. Yep, 10 o'clock. I take 180 from here. I really want to jump in on this Nasdaq. A little too late. It's at support, and let's get in. Why not? Let's see if we can capitalize off some of these jumps that's going on right now. So if you're smart, you put yourself at bare minimum break even, and you capture some money. If you don't capture this whole thing, if you want to wait till it gets up here somewhere, it's not a bad idea, but take something off the table, guys. Don't just not take anything. All right, so I would love for it to hit 300. And 300 indeed it hit. Can we hit 4? All right, we'll take 745 for the day. Ooh, look at that beautiful ES. The Dow's gonna be in play soon. But we'll end it here, guys. 745. Oh, that 10 o'clock, man, made everybody happy, I'm sure, if you were going in the right direction. It's sim. I do trade live, I do trade sim. We tell the difference. Live is black. Sim is orange. All right, so we'll post this video. I hope you guys learned something from this. I was patiently waiting for long scenarios because these averages was telling me it's a long bias on the Dow, a long bias on the Nasdaq, a long bias on the Russell, a long bias on the ES. They're all long, guys. If you were shorting, you should have been shorting up here, right? Those area on the Russell, on the ES. I don't know if I would have shorted this. This gave you a pattern. If you saw that, could have came down a little bit. Look at this market move, guys. And you saw this inverted hammer. That could have been something that you could have looked at. Shooting star drops down, and then for the Dow, you would have had this would have been a good short up here, but boy, you would have been quick. All right, but 7:45 in a day is not bad. Even in sim, even in live, not bad. All right, so we'll post this if you guys have any questions. We're gonna be doing one-on-one coaching soon. But we'll get to that. The community will be completely free. Charge for the community, but the coaching, the events, all of that will be some type of cost, but nothing like you guys think. We'll post this. It's fair value trade, guys. Keep trading. Stop trading. Just look at the market. Not trading is trading, right? Because you are analyzing the trade, but clicking that button makes you active. All right, guys. Enjoy your Thursday.